This is our last day at Rocky Mountain National Park, and then we are headed to Center, Colorado to visit our last national park of this 30-day road trip, the Great Sand Dunes. Do you think we'll be able to stay under our $10,000 budget by the time we get home? Keep watching and subscribe to get the final total. Good morning, travelers. We are leaving our hotel here at the inn at Silver Creek. We're gonna go back down to Rocky Mountain National Park because we wanted to hike one trail down there called the Coyote Trail that someone told us about. And then after that, we're gonna go to Breckenridge, Colorado. There's a troll there that's really cool. And we're going all the way down to Center, Colorado because that is near the Great Sand Dunes National Park, which is our last national park of this trip. So keep watching. Let's go. So you gotta get to the park by 9, or else you have to have a reservation, and it is 8:55 and there's not a long line, so I think we might be good.
It's people from Colorado.
All right.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
All right, 3 minutes to spare. Let's go do our hike. We found a herd of elk. Yeah, there's a bunch of them way out in the distance there. Y'all probably can't see them because there's a good 20 of them out there, I think. Well, we saw some elk. It's our second time. I just want to see a moose now. Come on, big man. You want to see a moose?
Yeah.
The Coyote Valley Trail!
The Coyote Valley Trail. This is one that the rangers said would be good for kids, so we figured that we would come back and do it. Here we go. Going on a hike. Moose. I'm on the loose. Colorado River.
Are you gonna be brave enough to back feet in?
I don't know. It's pretty cold. Maybe the sun will come out. It's a beautiful, crystal clear. Let's go see if there's a moose. We have to be quiet. Very, very quiet. Yeah, there might be a moose. You want to see a moose?
Uh-huh.
Me too.
I don't see a moose.
Be quiet.
I don't want to see a moose.
Found some poop. Go down to the water. You think it's cold?
That's warm.
Oh!
That's warm.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Can I touch the water back here? It's like ice cold.
Yes.
If you put your hand.
Everybody has to touch the
Put your
Colorado
hand.
River.
Oh, it's so cold. They're trying to figure out what we're doing in Breckenridge later on in the video. What do you think it was?
Going to see stuff that people made a long time ago.
How long is a long time ago? 1950s? No, it's something newer than the 1950s. Some guys fishing. Hey, catching anything?
Yeah, we're catching some brook trout.
Oh, cool, cool. That's exciting. No moose yet.
Yeah, I think we're okay to turn around.
You don't want to go way out there?
No, it's
No.
cold. A moose is big. If it was there, we'd be able to see it from here.
You think so? Let's go. Well, no moose.
Very disappointed.
Me too. And we're getting back to the car right as it's starting to rain. So that's good, so we don't have a repeat of yesterday. Rain is starting to come a little heavier now. What? That's the camera.
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
Sean caught some raindrops in his mouth.
Oh yeah? All right, we got more groceries. You got everything you need? All right, we did $82.67.
Anything I wasn't supposed to.
Well, that's good. Just enough for 2 meals, right?
Well, dinner, but not
But didn't we have some stuff already in there?
for one dinner, kids for breakfast for 2 days.
Uh-huh.
We were out of salt and pepper.
Oh, they probably have some at the Airbnb. They usually do.
Well,
Oh, well.
Usually do, and
Perfect. All right. Well, the grocery store took longer than we expected. It took us an hour to get out of there, and that's because their system went down. They weren't accepting any credit cards or checks, and so we had to stop by the ATM, get some cash, and everybody was in line. And
It's an ordeal.
it was an ordeal, and now we're trying to get to Breckenridge before the rain comes because there's a little something there that we want to do with the kids.
And it's like, it has something to do with looking at wood things.
And so apparently a thunderstorm ends at 1:15. It takes us 2 hours to get there. So we'll be there at 1:55, and there's like this window of opportunity right here between 1:15 and 3 o'clock. where we gotta get there. I think we can do it. So if we get going right now, which is what we're doing, we should be within that window.
Cute little houses.
Yeah, this is a cute little place. I've never been through Breckenridge before. No, keep going. Keep going.
No, it's a parking lot.
And now
Still
what
gotta go
is
up.
it? What?
It's the park right here, Lane.
Okay, if you think so.
Tell me where we're gonna park.
Oh yeah, look, there's a
Head
sign.
southeast in 500 feet. Your destination will be on the right.
Keep going, they didn't see it. It's gonna be more surprise.
Everybody has their shoes on.
I'm putting mine on.
All right. And there's no rain.
Yay!
Okay, gotta go find it. It's hidden in the woods. It's kind of like playing hide and seek. By the way, this is a roadside attraction that I found on my roadside attractions app.
What?
Yep, it's 400 feet.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
No, wait,
Either way,
what
one
is
way
it?
to go.
You ready?
What is it? We do not know what it is.
I know you
Tell
don't. You're about to find out.
Okay, I'm not.
You've seen it in a magazine before. What is it? Do you remember that?
Yes! Which one is it? Which one is it?
Okay.
So we saw this in a magazine a long time ago, and we were like, whenever we're near one of these, we have to go and check them out.
Which one is it?
I don't know, we gotta go find it. Should we wait for Mom? There's probably gonna be other people here too.
Oh,
Dun da da da. Is that cool? What? You like this?
Mom,
Look, Beckett! What is that?
Is that so cool?
What'd you think about that?
Oh
It's a wood troll.
Is that the one with all the birdhouses built into
I have
it?
no clue.
I can't remember.
no! I don't remember seeing that one in a magazine.
Yeah, we saw that one in the Hearts
remember.
magazine.
All right,
Ready?
everybody say boogers.
So the guy who built these trolls, his name is Thomas Dambo, and apparently he's done a bunch of these throughout the entire world. We found it in a magazine, but I'm pretty sure if you search his website, then you'll be able to find like all the different locations. You can let me know if there's one in your location down in the comments below. This one was unveiled on June 25th, 2019. But this is a really fun little roadside attraction thing you can do. Get out in nature, go for a little nature walk and see a troll. Oh, and this troll's name is Isaac Heartstone. I wonder if he has like a rock in his heart. That'd be interesting. I didn't expect this many people to be here.
Me neither. It's a thing, apparently.
Apparently so.
Oh,
Come on through. Hi. Everybody's copying you now. Oh boy. It's time to go. A good Airbnb.
yeah, let's see what it looks like inside.
All right guys, we made it to our Airbnb in Center, Colorado. Let's go check it out. You ready? Here. Wow. Do you like it? It's got laundry.
That's our favorite thing.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the bathroom.
Oh my goodness, you gonna look?
You working out?
You gonna get
All
your muscles
right.
bigger?
Look.
I see that.
Look, you gotta do like this.
Up and down, up and down. These stormy clouds are very close. We're gonna try and get everything out of the van before the storm comes. Hopefully we can do this and not get drenched. I just felt one raindrop right there on my face. I think we just made it. We're about to get a downpour. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this too before, but if you look, if you have like just a flat line, you can see where it's real hazy, and that's where the rain is. I first really noticed this whenever we were out in the Gulf and I'd go fishing with my dad, and they'd have rainstorms where you could just see out all into the water, and you could just see where it was crystal clear on either side and just rain coming down. Click that video to continue the adventure with us.